Understanding the widening gap phrase. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today's video is all about deciphering the meaning behind the phrase, widening gap. This phrase is common in both everyday and professional English, and understanding it can greatly enhance your comprehension of the language. Let's dive in and explore what this phrase means and how it's used. Widening gap refers to a situation where the difference or distance between two things or groups is increasing. It's often used to describe scenarios where disparity or inequality is growing over time. For example, if the rich are getting richer and the poor are getting poorer, one might say there's a widening gap between the rich and the poor. To help you better understand, let's look at a few examples in various contexts. 1. Economic context. The widening gap between the wealthy and the working class is a major concern for economists. 2. Educational context. There's a widening gap in academic achievements between urban and rural schools. 3. Technological context. As technology advances rapidly, a widening gap is seen between digital natives and those who are not as tech-savvy. It's often helpful to visualize what a widening gap looks like. Imagine two cliffs that are gradually moving apart. As they separate, the gap between them gets larger. This imagery can be a powerful tool in understanding the concept. It's important to note that widening gap does not always refer to physical distance. It's a metaphorical term used to describe increasing differences in qualities such as wealth, knowledge, or opportunities. In everyday language, you might hear phrases like, "The gap is widening between my skills and what the job market requires." There's a widening gap in understanding between the older and younger generations. Understanding the phrase, widening gap, can greatly enhance your comprehension of English, especially when discussing issues of inequality or change. We hope this video has helped clarify this concept for you. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using this phrase like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.